Alright guys, another day in the office. We are working on seats because we're tired of sanding. So last few days, a lot of sanding and bondo and rusting, repair and welding and all the junk's taking place. We're tired of that. So now we're going to work on the good old seats, figure out how to take everything apart and how to put them back together. We got new foam and seat covers and burlap. So hopefully we can figure this out, get some seats so we can at least put the front seats back in so we can drive it around and go from there. Process of finishing, but there's the first product with the new covers, new foam, new burlap, new cloth.
Looks pretty good though.
Yeah, it looks pretty slick.
Yeah, dig it.
And it's pretty easy to do, actually.
Yeah, was pretty happy with
so hopefully the backs are as easy so we can at least get the front seats done. So we can put seats in there and not try to drive around on the bucket anymore. Looking good. Look at it! There's the front seat. That's the driver's seat. I think they look pretty slick. So we're pretty impressed with them. They're really easy to do. Yeah. So we're going to keep working on them. Get at least the two front seats done. Work on the back seat. Work on getting the seats in the car. As you can see, guys, a lot has been buffed and cleaned up, getting ready and welded and grinded and everything. So we're getting that all ready to go. And the old Beetle, it's getting there. We got a few spots on the sides we got cleaned up. We got the hood we got cleaned up, and things are looking better. Alright guys, there you have it. We got a seat done back there. We got a couple more in progress. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Wide Open Throttle. We are in crunch time mode. In real time, my mom gets here in like 4 days. So we're going to try to bust it. We're going to finish primering, sanding out some of these Bondo body filler spots. Get it all smoothed down, cleaned up, and ready for paint. Hopefully tomorrow night we'll make a makeshift paint booth. We'll keep working on the seats so we can at least have the front seats done and can drive it. We're going to finish cleaning up some of the metal inside around the doors so that we can paint those, and then we can go ahead and put in the door cards. So the front will kind of be done. I need to work on a little electrical. Still running, so we're going to change the oil one more time, clean out the screen so that we can drive it later, drive it to take it to her. The fenders have been taking a lot more work. We spent hours hammering out dents and welding up cracks and cleaning them off, getting them ready for more filler, and then the hood as well. So some of those parts we will not have done, probably not in the time frame we have, but we're going to try. We're going to kick it into gear. Unfortunately, I'm working a lot at my other jobs. They're taking a lot more time than I would like, but that's just how it is, guys. So thanks for tuning into this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. Where B is for building this bug, and it's awesome. Alright guys, till next time.